Do you know the most frequently asked question at any event? No, it's not am I in the right place or did I miss anything? The number one question is where are the toilets? Studies show that up to 70% of guests asked about restroom location at events. It seems simple, but it's one of our fundamental human needs, alongside being well fed, hydrated, and warm. As humans, we like things to be simple and easy. So please don't make us search miles for the bathrooms. The best approach is to prevent people from needing to ask it in the first place. So if you go to that event right after registration, the first three directions should be clear. Here's the wardrobe, here are the toilets, and here's the photo wall or entrance to the party. So this small gesture shows your guests you care. It helps also reduce anxiety and saves them from the embarrassment of having to ask. Clear visible signs are always welcome, and make sure the door signs are easy to understand. I once attended an event where guests were confused because the figures on the restroom doors were misleading. Simple things like this, if not designed properly, can cause frustration and spoil the guest experience. I would also add a scent in the toilets, with some candles to create this cozy atmosphere. Maybe even include head to toe mirror if it's not present. A little sofa, some plants, and then definitely provide a special kit for women. This kit could include plasters, feminine hygiene supplies, refreshments, headache pills, a little sewing kit, and anything else a woman might silently appreciate and say thank you. The bathroom is as important as the rest of the event space. When I was setting up an expo at a large museum, I went into the toilets and I was little bit shocked. There were all This was all black, the walls, the floors, everything, and there was a lot of empty space waiting to be filled. I found myself designing it in my mind, imagining how to make it more comfortable. Some might say it's no big deal, but our experiences is made up of little moments. Small signs that say, you see me, you know what I need. If you get this right, you have no idea how grateful your guest will be. Taking care of these details show respect for your guest and create seamless, comfortable event experiences. Because when basic needs are met easily, people feel cared for. And that's the foundation for truly memorable events.